my name is Jamey Gaston. I'm the Vice President of Quality, Science, and Regulatory Affairs at Midlab Incorporated. And the industry, the cleaning industry, is missing a critical element in helping customers make safer product choices, primarily through education. There's a lot of information out there, but it's not easily accessible. A lot of people don't know where to go and find this information. And what the industry can do to promote healthful and sustainable cleaning practices is they can offer more training, offer more education practices down to the user level, but also to the distributors of cleaning products, because the distributor reps are the ones who are going out and doing most of the training to the end users. So that's really where I believe the training needs to start, at the distributor level.